Welcome to the front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just we should click here to open the app, click yes agree, tap to close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 31 and 40 degrees. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.